Hello, this is Joe from High Pressure Equipment, and today we are going to use the PT2020 triple pump control, and we're going to demo the higher precision ramping function. So this test will have three parameters. First, we'll turn the fill pump on and we'll run for 10 seconds to fill up our test vessel and bleed the air out of the system. Next, we'll turn on our first high pressure pump, and we're going to build to 1,000 psi as quickly as possible to compress all the water in the system. And we're going to hold there for 10 seconds to monitor for leaks. Once we pass that test, we're going to use our third highest pressure pump. We're going to ramp very gradually up to 3,000 psi. We're going to hold at that pressure and monitor for leaks. If we pass, we'll acknowledge the test as completed. So here we have the fill pump running, filling up the vessel, bleeding the air out of the system. Now we're turning on our first high pressure pump, compressing all the fluid in the system, building the pressure up to 1,000 psi. Now we're holding for 10 seconds to monitor for leaks. Now we're going to start that gradual ramping function. So ramps at about, we set it to ramp at 100 psi per second, but that is an adjustable value that can be set. Now we're at 3,000 psi. We're going to do our decay leak test. We did not have leaks in the system, so the test is passed as completed.